Hi everyone, I am Jairus Clay Calawagan, and today we're diving into the world of multimedia and ICT, two powerful tools that shape how we learn, communicate, and create in today's digital age. What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the use of different content forms like text, images, audio, video, and animation to deliver information or entertainment. You see it in educational videos, social media posts, digital art, and even online games. It makes learning more interactive and communication more expressive. What is ICT? ICT includes tools and systems that help us store, share, and process information. Think of computers, smartphones, the internet, and apps we use every day. ICT connects people across distance and supports education, business, healthcare, and advocacy. Multimedia and ICT help us. As a student and advocate, I use multimedia to create visual summaries, campaigns, and presentation. ICT help me research, collaborate, and measure impact. These tools empower us to express ideas clearly and reach wider audience. Multimedia and ICT aren't just technologies, they're bridge to creativity, connection, and change. Let's use them wisely to build a better future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, share it with your classmates or use in your own projects. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring the digital world. Thank you.